Are you passionate about Ayurveda and looking for the right institution to build a successful career in natural healing? Welcome to Rajashekara Institute of Ayurvedic Medical Sciences and Hospital, a premier destination for holistic healthcare education. Located in a peaceful and well connected area, this institute is committed to nurturing the next generation of Ayurvedic doctors with a perfect blend of traditional wisdom and modern scientific advancements. State of the art infrastructure. Rajashekaraya Institute boasts a sprawling, well designed campus that provides a perfect learning environment. The college is equipped with spacious, modern classrooms with digital learning facilities, a well stocked library filled with classical Ayurvedic texts and modern research publications, advanced laboratories for anatomy, physiology, pharmacology, and pathology, a fully functional herbal garden with a wide range of medicinal plants for hands on training, BAMS course, a path to excellence in Ayurveda. The college offers a Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery BAMS, a 5.5-year undergraduate program including a detailed study of Ayurvedic fundamentals, herbal medicine, panchakarma, and modern medical subjects, 1 year of compulsory internship at the attached hospital, where students gain real world experience in patient care, a curriculum designed as per NCISM, National Commission for Indian System of Medicine, guidelines to ensure students receive the highest standard of education, a hospital that bridges theory and practice. One of the most significant advantages of studying at Rajashekhara Institute is its fully equipped Ayurvedic hospital. Here, students get hands on clinical exposure under experienced Vaidyas, learn the art of Panchakarma therapies, herbal medicine preparation, and specialized Ayurvedic treatments, work with real patients, and enhance their diagnostic and treatment skills. A team of expert faculty and research opportunities. The backbone of any great institution is its faculty, and Rajashekhara Institute is proud to have highly qualified and experienced professors, researchers, and practicing Vaidyas. A strong emphasis on research and development in Ayurveda, encouraging students to innovate and contribute to the field. Why choose Rajashekhara Institute of Ayurvedic Medical Sciences and Hospital? World class infrastructure and experienced faculty. Holistic approach to Ayurveda with practical exposure. A well equipped hospital for real world learning. Strong research and development programs. A peaceful and focused learning environment. If you're dreaming of a successful career in Ayurveda, Rajashekhara Institute of Ayurvedic Medical Sciences and Hospital is your gateway to knowledge, expertise, and a bright future in holistic healing. Our admissions are now open. Don't miss this opportunity to be part of one of the finest Ayurvedic institutions. Contact us today to begin your journey into the world of Ayurveda.